Hey, yo, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Destin Karusopa, aka Kawonde Boy 147. I just wish to remind every one of you to say on 5th September 2025, next month, I will be dropping my mixtape, Perspectives. The mixtape is called Perspectives with my brother Malik El Shabazz. I can't wait for the release uh, of this massive, massive mixtape. Not forgetting the producer behind this mixtape, O3, aka Hey Hi. Hey Hi, the producer. See you, my brother, for the wonderful, production and everything. You've really done a good job, my brother. Thank you so much for that. And shout out to everybody supporting the movement behind the scenes. Can't wait for the